Matcha. Chocolate cream matcha. Ube kaya yaflo. May taho. Okay, ito yung pila niya. Yan, nandito yung pila. I'm waiting for my number. 1108. 1108. Okay, finally, matitikman ko na to. I waited for an hour for this halo-halo at Ube Festival Waikato in Cloudlands. Ube ice cream. So mix. Sarap yung ube ice cream. It's not too sweet so far. Halo ko na yung ilalim. I think yung stall nila pinakamahabang pila. Wow, very rich. Masarap siya. Parang wala ng ice. Konti lang yung ice niya. It's good because may langka, may munggo beans. There's leche plan, ube ice cream, buko. I think, I'm not sure kung may kamote. It's good. Worth the wait naman po. It's not so sweet. Tama lang yung tamis. This is from the rice, I think. I also bought yung taho nila. Yeah, taho. And then I got this for free kasi naubusan na sila ng one more taho. Yeah, ube with leche flan. Alam na ang kasunod. Iinom ng pang-kontra. Cheers. Halo-halo.